welcome to Way Academy. Today our atomic topic is transportation. So the transportation process starts from the blood. It is called as a connective tissue, where it transports the substance to the cells and transport the metabolic waste product away from the cells. So we have totally 4 components of blood. So this is RBC, red blood cells, which contain the hemoglobin and carry the oxygen. And this white blood cells, that is WBC, which fight against the bacteria, germs and viruses. And this plasma, which will be in the yellow color, which transfer the food, carbon dioxide and waste product. And the platelets, which help in this transportation system starts from the heart, where heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels, and this heart is called as a muscular organ, has a 4 chambers: left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle and deoxygenated blood, where it contains the more amount of CO2 which comes to the body, where it enters to the right atrium and it is pumped by the lungs by a right ventricle through the arteries, where this CO2 is dropped and carry the CO2, so called as a oxygenated blood, where it is a rich in oxygen. So this oxygenated blood come to the left atrium through the venous. At last it is pumped by the aorta, where it goes to the all cells of the body. 2 blood vessels, that is arteries and veins. So these arteries are thick and elastic, and these veins are thin and less elastic. So these arteries transport the oxygenated blood from heart to body parts except this pulmonary artery, and these veins transport the deoxygenated blood from body parts to the heart except this pulmonary vein. So in the human heart, the smallest vessels are called as a capillaries. Most important topic in the transportation, that is lymph, where it is called as a transporter fluid. So which it is a colorless and absorb and transport the fat from intestine, and it drain away the excess tissue metabolism. So this is the topic. We end with the transportation.